નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. We will learn class 4 maths chapter 1 building with bricks. Before starting this chapter, just observe this picture. This is the picture of bricks. Different types of bricks which you can find easily in your area near your house. In this first picture, you can see the one side of this picture or bricks. Here you can see the one side of this brick, right? Now in second picture, you can see the different types of bricks here. Okay, you all can see in this picture types of brick. Okay children, now let's start our chapter building with bricks. Here picture of bricks is given. Okay, in this picture here they give us number of faces of bricks 6, number of edges 12, number of corners 8. Here they told us bricks have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Here 3D shape of cuboid is given. This is also shape of the brick also. Here we can easily identify the face. This is the face of the brick. This is the vertex of brick and this is the edge of brick, right? Cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. So the bricks also have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. Now let's we see the different floor patterns. Here in this picture you types of floor patterns which is made with bricks, right? Here you all can see the different types of designs or patterns made with bricks, right? Now let's we see the different types of wall patterns made by bricks. In this picture we can see the different types of wall patterns, right? You can see these pictures. Yes, this is the different types of wall patterns made with bricks. Now different types of jali jarukha patterns. This is also made by bricks. Here in this picture you can see the different types of jali patterns, right? And this is the jarukha patterns. Here I hope you all understand the concept of bricks and different types of brick design, right? We see the different types of floor patterns, wall patterns and jali jarukha pattern. We start the chapter 1. Look at your textbook, page number 1. Brick patterns for Jagriti School. Let's start reading the story of Jagriti School. This is the true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu and Pierre were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Here in this picture we can see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Now in next paragraph this building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. First of all, I am explaining these two paragraphs. Listen carefully. This is the story of Jagriti School and it is real story, which is located in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When the building of Jagriti School was being built, they had a plan to build a brick design on the ground and on the wall. They had three masons named Jamal, Kalu and Pierre. Right? All three of them needed new ideas to build a school building. So they went with their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. It means this building has large floor with 2000 design. This was longer work made by masons. It was built over a very long period of time, about 300 years ago, right? They give us this information here. Now next, look how the bricks are arranged in this 5-floor pattern. Here are 5 patterns of floor is given, right? This is the first pattern, this is second. Now in next page, this is the third pattern, fourth and fifth. First you have to observe these 5-floor patterns, right? Now here 2 question is given. First one, which floor pattern do you like the most? It can be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever you want to like the most, you can write the number here. Okay. Now next question. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? If you seen anywhere these patterns, you have to write the answer. Just think about it and discuss with your friends. Okay, children? Now look at the next paragraph. Let's start reading. The masons come back excited. Jamal said, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice design on the floor of this school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. Here we can see the picture of children. They made their own patterns, brick patterns. Right? Now here I am explaining these 2 paragraphs. Please listen carefully. Masons come back very eagerly. Jamal said they made many interesting brick patterns in those days that they forgot. Let's make some nice designs on the land or floor for this school. Each mason made different design for bricks. The school was proud to have this kind of beautiful building. The children play and sing on these beautiful brick patterns or beautiful buildings and also create new designs on their own. Okay, children? Now look at the next page. Children, here you can see the different patterns of bricks. There are 11 patterns are given. First of all, we observe the pattern one by one. Let's see. First one, pattern A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Observe these bricks patterns clearly, okay? Now here 3 questions given. Let's read the questions and give the answer. First one, which pattern is made in a circle? Children, here you have to write answer in your textbook, okay? Which pattern is made in circle? Look at all the patterns which is given here and write answer like this. Pattern J is made in a circle. Okay, children? Now, second question. Which pattern can you show mirror has? Draw a line. Children, here you have to write answer. In pattern H, we can show mirror house. Dotted line in the figure shows the mirror line. Okay. Now, third question. Now you draw some new floor patterns. In this, you have to draw your own design. New floor patterns which you like. Draw it yourself. Okay. Hope you all understood this concept. Different types of floor patterns made with bricks. Now we will continue this chapter in our next video. Okay. Thank you for joining us.